Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device model and OS version so you know which controls are available. Once done, back up current settings or create a restore point in case you need to undo changes. Next, make sure you have administrator access and a secondary account ready. You'll use these to test the block. Now open System Settings and locate Parental Controls, App Permissions, or Policy Editor to begin the blocking steps. Now you configure the actual blocks. If you're on a consumer device, enable Screen Time or Parental Controls and turn off App Store installs and purchases. Set a PIN to prevent changes. For managed devices, push an MDM profile or policy that disables app installation and store access. Additionally, consider network-level blocking by adding App Store domains to your router's blacklist or using DNS filtering. Make sure to apply and enforce the settings so they persist across reboots and user sessions. To finish, test the restriction by signing into a non-admin account and attempting to open or install from the App Store. You should be blocked. If you can still access it, check for bypasses like alternative app stores, active VPNs, or web downloads and close those pathways. If the block breaks something, reset the restriction PIN or restore your backup to recover. One key troubleshooting tip: verify policy precedents. Local settings can be overridden by profiles, so inspect installed configuration profiles or MDM rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.